How to hide view count on Instagram Reels. So if you don't want people to see how many views your Reels got or your videos, so first you want to go to your profile by pressing the profile logo at the bottom right, and then you want to click on the three horizontal lines in the top right hand side. Now in the settings page, you want to scroll down to account type and tools, and if you have a professional account, this should be under business tools and controls. Now, if you have a personal account, you should switch your account to a professional account or business account. In this case, my account is already professional account, so you should click on switch account type and switch it to a professional if it's a personal account. Now, once you switch it to a professional account, you want to go back to business tools and controls. And from here, you want to go to the view counts on profile, click on it, which is this one right here. And then you want to enable hide view counts, which is this checkbox, just enable it. Now, if you go back to your profile, you shouldn't be able to see any views on your Reels. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.